Today we will discuss one more problem. The problem is finding the missing number in Java. Okay? In normal code, like we will do in normal compiler, this code will be easy. Like we will do in first normal compiler, then we will go to TCS compiler way. Okay? Okay, I will take first some like class like basic class. Okay, yeah. In normal compiler, we'll do it first main method. Take the main method, and we'll take the one second. Yeah. Int n equal to 5. Okay. Int array of elements equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 5. Okay, this is the for normal elements. So we'll print from for int I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, then we'll take int sum equal to 0, int sum equal to 0, you can see, and we will add sum plus equal to error of I. Okay, and you can see here in this problem the missing number is 1 2 3 4 is the missing number. We want to find the fourth number, want to print that number. Okay, first we will add all the sum. We know the problem n into n plus 1 by 2 for sum of all numbers. We will apply that problem like int original equal to, we'll apply n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay, yeah, so we will subtract from original to minus sum. Okay, we print it. Yeah, here it is saying index out of bound exception for length 4. Okay, yeah, we will take here up to here dot length. Yeah, here you can see the output is 4. Okay, we want to print the missing number in the array. Okay, like that only in TCS compiler we want to do something extra. Okay, no worries, we will discuss it clearly, the logic. If you know the all this stuff, you can see the code and you can practice. If you don't know, I will explain. Okay, no worries. First we take in here scanner input. It will read total count of n numbers. Okay, we create a scanner object because use it to take input from keyboard. Okay, scanner helps us to read input from user. Okay, yeah, first it will take int n equal to sc dot next int, will print, it will take 5, and it will go to next line because after next int a new line character remains in a buffer. So if we don't clear it, the next line will be skipped to input, means it will skip the input. Okay, that's why we are taken sc dot next line. In next line string input equal to sc dot next line. In this line we will take all this 1 2 3 5. Okay, next we pass this input to our scanner class. Yeah, next we taken the array list of integers list equal to new array list. Yeah, then we are using while loop ss dot hash next int. The hash next int, what we will do means it will check the number is present or not, it will return true. If it is not present, it will return false. Okay, yeah, then it will add the elements of list dot add ss dot next int, and it will add 1 to the list, and next 2 to the list, and 3 to the list, and 5 to the list. Okay, next we will do the same stuff, like we will take int sum equal to 0 and int x is to list, means we taken here enhanced for loop, and we will add the all elements to the sum, and we will take the actual sum, the formula already discussed here, n into n plus 1 by 2. Yeah. Okay, then we'll minus int actual sum minus original sum. Okay, then we'll get our output. Wait a second. Yeah, 1 second. It was taking some Eclipse error. Wait a second. It will come now. Yeah, here it is 5 1 2 4 5. Okay, we have got the 3, and next check again 5. If we print like this, you can see here it is again asking, like you can see, okay, the wrong output. So that's why we are taking like this 5 1 2 4 5 3. Again we will check once again. Okay, 5 1 2 3 4. Okay, 5. Okay, if we comment this, what it will happen? Okay, we will see that also. 5 15, it is coming directly, the sum is negative, it was okay. And we will check it once again. 5 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, it was coming 0. You can see the errors. Okay, okay, I taken once again 5 1 2 4 5 3. It is coming. Okay, the output is coming, but in our TCS compiler it will give the input format as like this only, 5 1 2 3 5. That's why we are taken this line. If we did not taken this line, once we will see if it is coming, okay, or it was not coming, it was directly printing. Okay, 5 15. Okay, you can see here. So that's why we are taken sc dot next line. So it will go to the next line and do the other stuff. Yeah, we are taking 5 only again and again. We will take another input 7. We will take 1 2 4 5 6 7. Yeah, here you can 3. Okay, and we will see next input format. Okay, yeah, they will give the problem statement as like this, like I generated this. Given number n and n minus numbers from 1 to n, find the missing number. Okay, we want to find that number. Yeah, yesterday already we seen in our last video how to do for this, like this input. And if you don't see in last video, you can visit my channel and see in the, we discussed 2 problems in last video of TCS old problems. This is also from 2024 some shift, like May shift, in May the problem has came. Okay, today I don't have time, so that's why I'm discussing one problem only today. Tomorrow we'll discuss more problems. Tomorrow we'll do only prime number problems, like how many ways they can ask in TCS. So many times they asked prime number in different ways. We'll cover most all the ways, like up to 6-7 ways using prime numbers we will cover. Okay, so we'll do another way of missing prime number. Means nothing is different. The input will take, here it will come commas. Okay, so we'll do sc dot next line, same the stuff. Here we will do input dot split using comma. Like here we are taken for scanner and we don't require here, just we will take str array. So we'll split by comma, so it will store 1 2 3 5 like this. Okay, and we will add same num. Okay, we want to convert string to integer, so here we used the method to convert string to integer. So that's why we used here integer dot parseInt. We passing string input. Okay, so it will total sum. First it will come like 2 means 1, and next again the total sum would be 2, and next again the total sum would be 3, and again next the total sum would be 5, and it will all add to the numbers, like the input will we'll get sum of all elements present in the array present. So we'll do the formula as we know, actual sum n into n plus 1 by 2. Yeah, we'll get here 15 like that. Yeah, we'll minus actual sum minus num. Okay, here we can see first 5 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 5. Here you can see if I given like this 5 1 2 3 4, we are getting exception like first input string 1 2 3 4 like that. Okay, so we want to give the input like this. If you want to give input like this means you want to follow this step. Okay, sc dot transaction, and we are passing that to scanner class, and we are adding that to a list. Okay, yeah, that's it for today. Yeah, here you can see the problem statement should be you are given a number n and n minus 1 number separated by commas. One number from 1 to n is missing. Find a print find and print the missing number. Okay, like the input format would be an integer n and n minus 1 integers by separated by commas. Here like this means the first line they said integer n. Next, n minus 1 integer separated by commas 1 3 4 5. Okay, the output is to the print the missing number. Here we printed the missing number 2. Okay, here you can see given sum 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5 equal to 11. The expected sum 5 into 6 by 2 15, and that's that. Yeah, we are getting missing number 15 minus 11. The output is 4. Okay, that's it for today, guys. We'll discuss more problems tomorrow. Like we'll discuss only prime numbers tomorrow. In how many ways they can ask, we will discuss at most. We will cover all the ways. Okay, don't miss tomorrow video. Okay, that's it for today.